In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use PDFescape, a powerful tool designed for editing your PDF files conveniently online. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring that you can navigate it with ease. First, you'll want to open your internet browser and head over to PDFescape's website. It's a comprehensive platform that offers both free and paid services, and today, we're focusing on the free features available to everyone. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice the Sign Up button located towards the top of the page. Go ahead and click on it to begin creating your account. Now you'll see an option to Get Started for free. Selecting this is crucial if you're planning to utilize the complimentary tools PDFescape provides. As you're guided through this process, you'll be met with a choice to sign in using your Google account. Click on Sign in using Google to streamline your registration. This option makes things easier as it connects to your existing Google credentials, skipping the need for additional new passwords. After selecting Google, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to link to PDFescape. Simply click on the account you prefer, and PDFescape will securely create your user profile. You may have to grant some permissions, so click on Continue to proceed, giving PDFescape the necessary access to offer its services seamlessly. Before you're all set, there's one last thing. PDFescape requires you to agree to their privacy policy. Find the checkbox indicating your agreement to the policy and tick it. This agreement is fairly standard and part of using most online services. Once that's done, click on Register to complete your sign-up process. Now that everything is set up, you're ready to dive into the editing features PDFescape offers. You can now access tools to edit your PDF files directly from their interface. This platform also allows you to view and manage recent files effortlessly, providing a streamlined experience when working with multiple documents. From there, take full advantage of options like annotating, filling forms, and making direct changes to your PDFs without needing to download any bulky software. Additionally, PDFescape provides features for personalizing your profile, so be sure to adjust settings to suit your preferences and optimize your experience. And there you have it. You are now equipped to use PDFescape for your PDF editing needs. Enjoy exploring the features and bring your documents to life with ease and efficiency.